Okay, hello everyone. This is the 14th week of the beta career, and today, as usual, I will tell you what I did this week and what difficulties I faced. So, this week I was working with a new service on YouGov Mobile. This is my last service because when I do it, we close the project. For this service, I used a new technology stack. One of them is the toggle feature toggle. Um, what's a feature toggle? Let's say you want to develop a new feature, but you are not sure that users will like it and you need to have a way to hide it painlessly. Or suppose you are working on a big new feature and want to avoid monster commits. Or you just want to make the site's behavior highly configurable. In fact, a feature switcher is a boolean flag that is stored in the database and contains information about whether this or that feature should be enabled or not. The value of this flag can be retrieved from the database by key. The convenience of using feature switchers is that they can be easily changed by a business user at runtime through the admin panel without having to redeploy the application. Also, using feature switchers, you can show hide certain elements on the front end. To do this, you have to put the flag value in the model and pass it to the view. The described concept of using feature toggles, is just one possible use case, and such feature switchers are called release toggles. In total, there are three different types of feature switchers. First type, release toggles, allow you to hide incompletely implemented features during their development. Second, experiment toggles, switches for A/B testing. And last one, permission toggles, enable or disable features for different user groups. Thus, using feature switchers, you can build two different versions of application on the same code base using different database and different sets of feature switchers. For example, on a European site, it makes sense to include all features related to the GDPR, but on a Russian site, you don't have to. Complexity of testing. When a new release is released, QA engineers test all the features that are included in it and also try to enable and disable them using feature toggles. This requires a lot of extra time as it is desirable to test all possible combinations of flags. Okay, this was a feature toggle, and I think that's all. So, thank you for attention. Goodbye.